Josephine Perilli with MVP Realty. Welcome to 433 Hartley Street in the sought-out Marco Island. If you are looking for island life, search no more. This lovely home is on a spacious corner lot. Let's go inside and take a look. Welcome to your very own oasis. This lovely pool and spa area is great to entertain friends and family and enjoy the Florida weather. As you enter, you will fall in love with this bright and open floor plan. This lovely home offers 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage with plenty of parking space. Wood tile planks throughout and a completely remodeled kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and control-operated window covering. The owner's suite offers a spacious walk-in closet and a completely remodeled bathroom. All the bedrooms have sliding doors that lead to an enclosed lanai and pool and spa area. Marco Island is a true gem in Southwest Florida, the largest of the 10,000 islands located south of Naples, only a 15-minute drive. When you cross the bridge leading to the island, you will immediately feel a more relaxed environment. This home is conveniently located close to shopping, restaurants, nearby Naples golf courses, and so much more. If you're searching for island life, search no more. With some of the best beaches in the U.S., Marco Island is great for boat lovers, shelling, kayaking, fishing, and so much more. If you're a nature lover and enjoy trails, well, you can enjoy the 3-mile trails in the Briggs Nature Center, where you can also explore the various habitats. Marco Island has so much to offer, and this home is a true gem waiting for you.